Hey guys, it's Lillian again. I am miraculously back with another video. So as the title indicates, this is going to be just about the products I use for my skincare routine. I have been asked in the past, both in person and in past videos, what I do use. And I have filmed a video about this before, but this was like, I don't know, like 5 to 7 years ago that I uploaded that. So if you know what, I will put the link to that video in the description box below. But a few things have changed, but most of the stuff is the same. So what has changed is what I use to the tool that I use to cleanse my face. So it's from Vanity Planet. This is the box that it came in. I'm not sure if things have changed since I purchased this, because this is a few years old. But this is the tool. It just looks like that. And the brush head that I use is actually just drying in my washroom, but I do have a refill, and it just looks like that. So that's the tool that I use, and I use it with my cleanser. So the cleanser that I use is from the Body Shop. I have been using this for I don't even know how long, since before I even filmed my original skincare routine. But yeah, it's from the Body Shop. It's from the Aloe line, and it's a calming cream cleanser. The only thing that they've changed over the years is the actual bottle. They made it more narrow at the top. And then once that's done, I use a toner. So the toner that I use is from Fresh. It's the Peony Brightening Moisturizing Facial Toner, and it says that it evens skin tone and conditions. So it just looks like that. I will say this is a bit pricey. I purchased this on my birthday last year, and I want to say it's like between $60 and $80, and I cringe saying that number out loud, but like it's not even halfway done, because a little goes a long way. So I literally just pour it in my hand, tap it on both hands, and then I will tap it on my face and just press it into my face. And that's that. And the next thing, I actually just got this like 2 days ago, so I don't know if it works or not. To be honest, I don't even know if I need it or not, but this is from the Body Shop. It's their Drops of Youth collection. It says that it has 3 plant stem cells. So it says, I might be butchering the pronunciation, but it says Edelweiss, I don't know, from the Italian Alps, Sea Holly, and Christ Marine from the Brittany coast. So it just looks like that. Sorry, there's a bit of a glare because it's a shiny bottle. And then for moisturizers, I use one of 2 things. So this is something that I've been using, I don't know, maybe over 10 years as a moisturizer. As some of you may or may not know, I am half Ghanaian. So for those who don't know, that's Ghana, West Africa. My dad is from there, and they produce Shea Butter. So every time that my dad goes, he brings back Shea Butter for us. I will not purchase it here in Canada. Like, they charge an arm and a leg for it. Like, I would have to be like extremely desperate to buy it here. So this is just a bottle of Shea Butter. It was melted down and poured into here, and it just settled. I don't know if you could see, but it just looks like that. So that's one thing I use. I usually use that most of the year, but sometimes if I feel like my skin is doing really well moisture-wise, I will use something a bit lighter. So I have this cream. This is a bit old, a bit damaged, but it's from First Aid Beauty. It's the Ultra Repair Cream. And it's for like dry, parched skin, but honestly nothing beats Shea Butter when it comes to like dry skin, in my opinion. This has been well loved. So it's like all like scratched and whatnot, but that's it. And you could get that from Sephora. I purchased this on recommendation actually from Danny Austin like forever ago. And then in terms of like self-care stuff outside of like the everyday routine of washing your face, I do use 2 different masks. One is cheaper in price, the other one's a bit more expensive. So one is from the Body Shop. Let me show you. This is the box that it comes in. Yeah, there's a bit of a glare, but this is the Chinese ginseng and rice mask. It's a clarifying polishing mask, and it says that it illuminates, evens, and revitalizes. So this is the bottle it comes in. It's very nice, very sleek, and it smells okay. Like, it's not my favorite scent. Let's see. It's not my favorite scent, but like I've smelled worse things, so that's what that looks like. And it's a really nice exfoliant. I usually would put it on after I wash my face, before like toner or whatnot. Put it on, I'll leave it on, I think its recommendation is 5 to 7 minutes. Let's see, 5 to 10 minutes. That's the recommendation for this, and I like it. But the mask I'm going to show you next, I like that one even better, but it's more expensive. This is the sample size version of the GLAMGLOW FLASHMUD brightening treatment. Yeah, this is so good. Comes in an orange bottle. This is the one that you would get like when you're in the line at Sephora, where they kind of like trap you in like getting all like the sample size versions of things. This is like amazing. I love it, and I actually recently got a gift card to Sephora for my birthday, so I'm likely going to use that to get the bigger version of this. This one smells amazing in my opinion. It makes my face so smooth, like I can't even explain. Like, my skin is already like relatively smooth, but this takes it to a whole other level. And this one, it is a bit different in the timing, so, or like the time to leave it on. It says that so obviously after you wash your face and stuff, put this on for a minimum of 20 minutes. I think the longest I've left it on is about half an hour, and honestly my skin just feels amazing. I love it. And then after I've put on whatever mask, which would usually be done at nighttime if I do a mask, that's when I would go through the process of putting on my toner and like whatever moisturizer and all that stuff. And yeah, that is about it for my skincare routine. I hope you liked it. It's nothing too extravagant. I know some people have like some really like extravagant skincare routines, but I like to keep it simple. I think this is simple. I know it might be a lot for some people, but like my skin, like I haven't had an issue with it in like forever. Or yeah, so I hope that it helped you. If you have sensitive skin, actually just want to point out, yeah, if you do have sensitive skin, the Aloe Calming facial cleanser is really good. That's what it's made for, because I can't use things like Clean and Clear and Neutrogena, unfortunately, because of like the different acids and stuff that they have in it. It strips my skin so much, and I feel like it does more harm than good. And thankfully I'm not somebody who struggles with acne too much. I get a little bit on my chin, but for that I even have like some medication just to deal with that, to deal with like the dark spots. But yeah, that's it. Again, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions in regards to the things I mentioned, feel free to leave a comment below. And I hope that you subscribe. And again, I hope I'm able to make more videos for you guys. And I'm entitling this, as you see in the title, of course, like Quarantine Diaries, all these ones. I'm trying to film a bunch of them today. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you later. Bye.